Batman, the Telltale Series, the enemy waiting. Hallo und herzlich willkommen zu einer neuen Folge von Batman, the enemy waiting. Und wir sind hier in der Riddler Heimat. Wo hat denn der Typ geschlafen? Nein, Spaß. Mit John haben wir schon gesprochen und hier haben wir den Handwagen. Wir müssen einen Plan oder einen Weg finden, rauszufinden, wo der Hauptjob, den sie hier anstreben, stattfindet. Das werden wir jetzt auch tun.
Let me help you out there, Bruce. I don't want you to bend your collarbone.
Einfach so kannst du das hoch. Hä?
Welcome to the maelstrom. Deeper and deeper you go. This is the vortex of life, pulling you down into its depths.
What the hell?
You work, you sleep, you die. At all times, one foot in the grave until the second inevitably follows. You have to work hard and sleep hard in order to earn your way 6 feet under.
What did I tell you? I suppose those are our clues to whatever Riddler is hiding in here.
Oh.
Work, sleep, death. A little
Work,
grim.
sleep, death.
A little boring is what
Work,
it is.
sleep, death. Work, sleep, stuff. Work, sleep, death. Nein! Das hier oben. Tesla-Spule berühren, bist du wahnsinnig?
Tesla coils. This whole place is an electrical death cage.
If these start sending out energy, we'll all fry.
Drum unterlass das. Ja.
Why do you hate Riddler so much?
I've mentioned this before, but he always interrupted me. Never let me get to the punchline. It takes a lot of confidence to tell a joke, you know? Made me look like an idiot in front of Harley. Those other guys. Well, hey, I guess I have the last laugh now.
Ja, dein Verhalten. Na.
I've been meaning to ask it. The green hair, what is that?
I don't know, what's with your black hair? I'm sorry, buddy, I'm a little sensitive about my style.
Didn't mean to make you uncomfortable.
I don't remember anything about myself before Arkham, and when I came to, well, here it was.
Okay.
I guess it's natural.
John, we're friends, right? So I gotta ask, what do you see in Harley?
A ruthlessness. The way her accent comes and goes when she's mad. The way she lets things escalate into violence.
Ja. Okay. Krimineller Vorlieben. Ich weiß ja nicht, aber das kann nicht. Das wird falsch sein, oder? Genau.
You have to work hard and sleep hard in order to earn your way 6 feet under.
What did I tell you? I suppose those are our clues to whatever Riddler is hiding in here.
Work hard. Sleep hard. Die. Also, warte mal. Natürlich. Okay. Work hard. Das ist eine Workbank, oder?
To truly understand my mind, you must first walk a mile in my... Well, certainly you know the rest.
Be careful what you said on those.
Hä? Work hard, sleep hard. Wo schlafe ich denn hart? Ah, habe ich. Kann ich vielleicht nach oben?
Riddler's bed couldn't look less comfortable if he tried. Canned food, and lots of it.
We can't all get lobster thermidor on a whim.
Pair of Riddler's shoes.
He didn't exactly have great fashion sense.
Yep. Das
Well, he did say something about a foot.
jetzt. Noch ein Druckknopf.
I take you by night. By day take you back. None suffer to have me, but do from my lack.
That sounds positive.
Okay. Work hard, sleep hard. Immer noch. Work hard.
This is my city. This is my plan. Nobody will interfere.
Und jetzt die Mitte. Steht drauf, ich habe den Timer vergessen.
Oh, goody. It looks like you've got both feet in the grave.
Ach, das ist das Grab.
You hear that? It's like you're standing on an elevator. I bet whatever we're looking for is down there. Maybe someone should stay up here. Keep watch.
Good point. Let's go, Bruce. Sorry, cat lady.
Or maybe you could stay?
Oh no. Harley gave me an assignment, and I mean to fulfill it.
We'll go first. Make sure it's safe.
Bruce, you care about me that much? And here I thought I was losing you to her. I'll be on the next one, so don't die before I get there.
Genau, machen wir es so.
He's something. Charming and unnerving at the same time. So, now that we have a moment, care to fill me in? Care to tell me the real reason you're doing this? Out with it, Bruce. What's going on?
I'm undercover.
For yourself? Isn't Bruce Wayne kind of always undercover? Or is it the other way around?
No, yes, I'm undercover working with a group called the Agency.
Partnered up with people, huh? Good to hear you've grown a bit. Sorry if I was a little rattled at the clubhouse back there. Wasn't quite ready to see your face again, but you look good. Not great or anything, but good.
You look great too.
I didn't say great. I said good.
Okay, duly noted. Now it's my turn. Why are you here? You're not really in bed with this pact.
And what if I am? Maybe I need the money. Maybe I don't. Who knows? The world's a complicated place.
You're better than that.
You keep saying that. You're
Yeah.
like a broken record.
Yoo-hoo! Can you two get a move on? Playing guard is getting pretty boring.
Just another minute. We've got it under control, John.
Fine, but we've got a job to do, remember?
Let's just see what this is all about.
Genau, Aktenkoffer
You think it might
anschauen.
be a trap?
Maybe. But we already made it past the line of security, so... maybe not?
Your certainty is assuring.
Ja. Riddlerstock.
Didn't Riddler carry one of these in Europe?
He did, but they were purely aesthetic.
Encrypted. Just like the laptop. There must be something nearby we can use.
USB-Anschluss. Okay.
I mean, there's got to be a password, right?
It's what we came here for. It's at least worth a try.
Ah ja, das könnte auch der letzte sein beim Riddler.
Riddles.
A little on the nose, don't you think?
Ha, ha. Da oben drauf liegt doch ein USB-Stick.
USB drive.
Nimm ihn. Keine Ahnung, was drauf ist. Aber wir werden es rausfinden. So einfach kann doch das nicht
Here
sein.
we go.
Decryptor detected. Accessing Sanctus Project Lotus files.
Project Lotus.
Sanctus.
Retinal scan required.
Shit. I haven't made the goggles yet.
Retinal scan. Timeout. Hephaestus protocol enacted.
The decryptor!
Ja, gut.
You know
Das
what
ein...
Sanctus is, don't you?
I heard stories on jobs. Best I can piece together, their group up to... No good is generous. They're scary.
Great.
One thing's for sure. We're not getting any more info off that thing.
Well, there's always Riddler's laptop. Harley still has it.
The decryptor probably works with that as well.
Everything okay down there? Send the lift back up.
I should have come back sooner and reeled Riddler in, but I didn't. Knowing he was tangled up with Sanctus, and what he did to Lucius. This is my fault. My mess to clean up.
By yourself? I can help.
Why? Do I look like I need your help? You don't have the code to do what needs to be done here, Bruce. You want to do this your way? You'll have to beat me to it.
What are you doing?
Balancing the scales.
You are not leaving here with that.
Oh, honey. I'm already gone.
Das stimmt schon. Der Stuhl kann mich nicht aufhalten. Ah, scheiße. Au.
Bye, Bruce. It's been fun. You've gotten rusty.
You haven't gotten past me yet.
Slow down.
Ich vergesse immer, wo
You're coming
X
out
ist.
blurry.
Ich will dir doch eigentlich gar nicht wehtun.
I forgot how skilled you are with your hands.
Ooh, ooh.
Naja. Ich wusste, dass das nicht funktioniert.
Awfully bold move considering we just met, Mr. Wayne.
Is this flirting?
Move, John.
Gib mir einfach den USB-Stick. X. Alter, wirf doch auch mal die Frau, ey. Steh nicht so blöd rum, mach
Catwoman,
was.
wait!
Sorry, Bruce, but I'm taking Harley's laptop for myself. And I'm finishing this my way.
Harley's laptop, huh? You and I, we're going to talk. Somewhere else.
Ja. Wo ich mir mal Tacheles.
Oh, yeah, that's the stuff.
So, John, about the laptop.
You know, I'm the first guy who'd resort to stealing. From anyone. Anyone but her. But in a way, that almost makes it more enticing. But in another way, maybe I tell her, get in her good graces. Maybe I will. And maybe I'll do just that. Then she'd remember my name has an H in it. She always spells it Jon.
Because we're friends, John. This is between us.
Oh, we are friends. We are. But Harley's... Harley? I don't know, Bruce. I'm torn here. Just thinking about her makes me feel like I'm floating. She's the most intriguing creature ever to grace me with a demeaning insult. Which is great, don't get me wrong. I want more, Bruce. Like you and Catwoman. I'm only a little ashamed to say that dance had my pulse pounding. What's your relationship with her? Your real one?
Not much to tell. She's just another criminal, John. She's only out for herself.
Oh, you must be blind then, Bruce. I told you, I'm a watcher. And watching her, she sees something in you.
Naja, sie kennt meine wahre Intention.
If only Harley saw me. Like, really saw me. The world's a crazy place, isn't it? I want Harley, and you want the laptop.
Maybe we can come to an arrangement. I help you with Harley.
I see. You're up to bat then, Wayne. What did you do to make Catwoman purr? How can I get that with Harley? How can I make her see me?
Das ist nicht weiter
People aren't as complex as you make them out to be. Harley's smart, but she's still human. She can be manipulated just like anyone else.
Anyone, huh? How does one go about performing this magic trick?
Find a problem they have, and then make sure they think you are the only one who can solve it. Once they have to rely on you, they're yours. We're social animals, John. Might as well exploit it.
But how do you know what makes them tick? Too bad you can't just open them up and take a look.
You'd be surprised what people will say when you just let them talk. All you need to do is give them space, and the secrets will spill. Act interesting. Let them keep digging.
Fascinating.
Acknowledge that you hear them, but don't get in their way.
Yep, makes total sense.
Nice try. I've learned that manipulation can take on many forms. Some of them more subtle than others.
Tell me more. Tell me everything.
Get inside their head. Once you know how they think, you know what they want. And you use that.
You know,
okay.
the doctors in Arkham tried to get in here. Wait. I have an idea. Let's try it out. Now, first thing that comes to your head, what do you see? But don't think. Let your gut guide you.
I see.
Mm-hmm. It's a napkin with coffee stains on it.
Stubborn. Just like me. That's what I said. But then I realized I wouldn't get any help from the doctor by being such a stick in the mud. You're an interesting case study, Mr. Wayne. I think you might be a danger to yourself and others. Is what Dr. Leland would always say to me.
Naja, bei dir stimmt's
Listen,
ja.
what do you see?
It looks like a ladder.
I can see that. The ladder doesn't care if you're going up or coming down. It just is. Kind of like the universe in general, right? So, what else are we to do but have some fun along the way? What an illuminating evening this has been, Bruce. I feel like we're on the verge of a breakthrough. Let's try just one more.
John, sorry, something just came up. It's business. I have to run.
So soon? It's fine. A for effort, Bruce. I guess I won't go tattling to Harley.
So, will you help me get the laptop?
Gosh, Bruce. We are friends, and you're right about that. And, we did have a good back and forth with the tests. I feel so much closer. It's nice.
Okay, und ich fühle mich, als hätte ich dir jetzt Tipps gegeben, wie du besser ein Krimineller werden kannst.
Jeez. Okay, let me mull over the logistics. But I'm in.
Okay.
Meet me back at the subway when you're done with your business. And because we're pals, coffee's on my dime. Bruce?
Und tschüss. John, du hast zwei verschiedene Schuhe an. So, wie soll es weitergehen? Bis zum nächsten Mal. Ciao, ciao.